How to find your PIN in Roblox. Let's get started. First, launch your Roblox app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the More page. Once you're over here, head over to the option Help and Safety. Now click on Help. Over here, you're gonna find this search bar. Type in PIN and then search for it. Different related articles will appear. You'll need to scroll all the way down, and at the very bottom, you're gonna find the option Contact Us. Click on that. Now navigate to the option Support Form. Click on that. You'll be directed to this page. Now you'll need to fill out this form. First up, type in your username, first name, email address. Likewise, confirm your email address. Make sure you have entered the email address that you have access to. Now select what device are you having problem on. Likewise, type the help category. And lastly, you will need to mention that you have forgotten your PIN and you want to find it. After you fill out this form, you can send it. With that, Roblox support team will get back to you. This way, you'll be able to find your PIN in Roblox. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.